and welcome. I'm Dr. Pauline Fu. In this video, I will solve a problem from a student about solving system of equations for 3 variables. So the question is, to solve this system of equations with 3 variables, x, y, and z, how do you determine the solution? What do you multiply by what? And why? This is a good question. Okay. So to determine the solution, we need to eliminate number of variables. Initially, you have 3 variables, x, y, and z. We want to eliminate one variable. Okay, for example, you want to eliminate variable z so that you only have 2 variables, and x and y. Okay, so let's eliminate one variable, z. So how do I eliminate z variable? If you observe equation 1 and equation 2, this is a negative 1z, this is a negative 2z. So I would multiply equation 1 by 2. So both sides of equation 1, I will multiply 2. It becomes 2x plus y minus z equal to 2 multiply 4. Okay, so this is a new equation. And then I simplify this equation to become 4x plus 2y minus 2z equal to 8. I call this equation is, so I get this equation. Okay, I call this equation is equation 4. You have equation 1, equation 2, equation 3 here. Okay, this is equation 4. And then you use equation 2 minus equation 4. Equation 2 minus equation 4. Left-hand side minus left-hand side. Okay, so you get 4x minus 3y minus 2z. This is left-hand side of equation 2 minus left-hand side of equation 4. 4x plus 2y minus 2z, okay, equal to, and then you use right-hand side negative 2 minus right-hand side of 8. So negative 2 minus 8. Okay, and now simplify this one, take away bracket, copy down the first bracket, 4x minus 3y minus 2z. When you take away the bracket, you change the sign inside each item. So 4x become negative 4x, plus y, 2y becomes negative 2y, negative 2z becomes positive 2z. Okay. So this is left-hand side. Right-hand side, negative 2, negative 8 is negative 10. Okay, so continue, simplify. So you have a positive 4x, negative 4x cancelled out, negative 2z, positive 2z cancelled out. The only thing left on the left-hand side is negative 3y, negative 2y. So it becomes negative 5y equal to negative 10. Okay, and then y equal to negative 10 over negative 5 equal to 2. See, you solved for y. You actually solved for y. Okay. Once you solved for y, you can plug in this y into 1, 2, 3 so that you only have two variables, x and z. Okay, so y equal to 2, plug y equal to 2 into equation 1. Okay, you get, I'm going to increase the screen. Y equal to 2, plug in equation 1, you get 2x plus 2 minus z equal to 4. And then plug y equal to 2 into equation 2. You get 4x minus 3 times 2 minus 2z equal to negative 2. Okay, and then you only have 2x and z here. Okay, and then from here you get 2x minus z equal to, move this 2 to the right hand side, you get 4 minus 2. It is actually 2. And from here you get 4x minus 2z equal to, this is negative 6, move over, positive 6 minus 2, it is 4. So those two equations are the same. Okay, because this one, if you simplify, it is 2x minus z equal to 2. Okay, so we need to plug in y equal to 2 into equation 3. You get 8x minus 2 times y is 2, minus 3 times z equal to 3. Simplify this one, you get 8x minus 3z equal to, this is negative 4. Move to the right hand side, you plus 3, 4 plus 3 equal to 7. Okay, and now I'm going to call this equation is 5, equation 5. And this equation is 6. So you have two equations, two unknown. Okay, now you focus on this equation, 5 and 6. So how do you solve 5 and 6? If you observe the coefficient for z, this is negative 3, and this is negative 1. So equation 5, both sides, you times 3. 3 times equation 5. Left hand side, you have 3. 2x minus z. Right hand side times 3, you have 2. Okay, and simplify this one. You get 6x minus 3z equal to 6. And I call this is equation 7. Okay, now use 6 minus 7, equation 6 minus equation 7. left-hand side minus left-hand side, and you get 8x minus 3z. This is left-hand side of 6 minus left-hand side of 7. 6x minus 3z equal to right-hand side minus right-hand side. Okay. Now simplify this. 8x minus 6x, 2x, negative 3z. If you take away bracket, this becomes positive 3z, cancelled out. So 2x equal to 1. And you get x equal to 1 over 2. So we solved for x. And here we solved for y equal to 2. Now we solve for x equal to 1 over 2. Last step, you solve for z, plug in x and y into equation 1, you solve for z. Okay, so 2x, x equal to 1 over 2, plus y, y is 2, minus z equal to 4. Okay, 2 times 1 over 2 is 1. 1 plus 1 minus z equal to 4. 3 minus z equal to 4. And z equal to 3 minus 4 equal to negative 1. So in summary, we get x equal to 1 over 2, y equal to 2, z equal to negative 1. Okay, you can verify x, y, z, plug in x, y, z into equation 1, into equation 2, and equation 3. Okay, so that is the solution for solving systems of equations with 3 variables. Okay, hope this helps. Thank you so much.